Steyer, and we are back again to teach you more about the butterflies life cycle and to show you our caterpillars and how much they changed since yesterday. So I have them here and we will look at them a little closer in a few minutes, but I want to teach you a little bit more about the life cycle. So I have Brad here.
Hello.
And he is going to teach you more about the stages of the life cycle and teach you some big words along the way.
The stages of the life cycle. To grow from egg to adult, butterflies go through a complete metamorphosis in 4 stages. They begin their life as an egg before hatching into caterpillars. This is called the larva stage. The caterpillar's main job at this time is to eat, and its first meal is often the outer shell of its egg. The larva will grow quickly, shedding its skin several times. Once the larva has grown big enough and has the nutrition it needs to fuel the process of metamorphosis, it forms a chrysalis. This is called the pupa stage. During this stage, the pupa completely transforms itself into an adult butterfly inside the chrysalis. The butterfly, now in its adult stage, emerges from the chrysalis. It will rest, pumping blood into its wings and prepare to fly and find food.
So those are the 4 stages of the life cycle. So we had the egg, and then the caterpillar, and the chrysalis, and the butterfly. And when animals change their physical cells, that's called metamorphosis, when they change to become adults. And Brad's going to tell you a little bit more about the metamorphosis now.
What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a series of physical changes that transform the body of an animal. It is the process by which frogs, jellyfish, butterflies, and other insects go through to become adults. Genes and chemical changes in the butterfly's body control this process as it grows from one stage to the next. Butterflies go through a complete metamorphosis. Special cells in the caterpillar's body become the legs, wings, eyes, and other parts of the butterfly's body. The young larva, or caterpillar, is very different from the adult butterflies. It also eats a different kind of food. Once the caterpillar forms a chrysalis, it takes 7 to 10 days for the butterfly to emerge and metamorphosis to be complete.
So that is metamorphosis. It is a series of physical changes that some animals go through to become adults. And just to remind you what those are for the butterfly, is it starts with an egg. And in that egg it grows and eats its way out of that egg. And like Brad said, sometimes their first meal is the shell of the egg. Then when they come out of the egg, they go in their larva stage, which is for the butterfly. The larva stage is the caterpillar, and that's what we're going to look at in another minute. That caterpillar will get bigger and bigger and bigger, and we will watch that happen and talk a little bit more about how that happens tomorrow. And then it will go into the pupa stage. And for the butterfly, the pupa stage is a chrysalis. That chrysalis will make lots and lots of changes inside, and when it's ready, it will come out as a beautiful adult butterfly. So let's take a minute and take a look at these caterpillars. Oh my goodness, they have changed so much from yesterday. There are 5 caterpillars. How do they look different today than they looked yesterday? What looks different about them? That's right, they are so much bigger. Yesterday they were so teeny tiny. They are about twice as big today as they were yesterday. Isn't that amazing? So they ate some of that food on the bottom and they got bigger. I want you to notice that most of the container is still pretty empty. And they are just taking up a little space in that container. I want you to notice that because that might change a little over the next few days. So we're going to learn more about them tomorrow, more about how they change and how they grow, a little bit about what they eat, and about their bodies. So we have lots to learn over the next couple days, and I am so glad that you came to be with us. I miss you so much, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.